In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create interactive dashboards with Claude. By the end, you'll know how to open Claude, craft a clear prompt that captures your requirements, and use a ready-made example to generate a polished, executive-ready dashboard with sample data and guidance for connecting to live sources. First, open your Claude interface in your browser and start a fresh chat. A clean conversation helps the model focus on the task at hand without carrying over context from previous threads. Make sure you're in a general chat where you can paste a longer prompt comfortably. If you plan to share files later, you can, but begin with a prompt-only approach so Claude can propose a structure before you add any attachments. Next, type your prompt with your requirements. The goal is to be explicit about what you want, who it's for, and how the output should be delivered. Describe the audience, such as executives, so Claude prioritizes clarity and a professional look. List the sections you need on the dashboard, the kinds of visuals you expect like charts, tables, and KPIs, and the layout preference, such as responsive design that works on desktop and mobile. Ask for clean, well-structured HTML, CSS, and optional JavaScript, and request sample data so you can see the dashboard working immediately. If you'll eventually connect to live sources, include instructions for linking CSV files, a database, or cloud spreadsheets. Finally, ask for clear labels, comments in code where helpful, and a short explanation of how everything fits together. The more precise your prompt, the fewer revisions you'll need. Here's an example you can paste directly into Claude to jumpstart the process. Create an interactive business dashboard using Claude. Include sections for sales overview, customer insights, product performance, and financial metrics. Make it visually clear with charts, tables, and KPIs. Ensure the layout is responsive and professional, suitable for executives. Add sample data for demonstration, monthly sales, top products, customer demographics. Provide clean, well-structured HTML, CSS, and optional JavaScript code. Explain how to connect the dashboard to live data sources, for example, CSV, Firebase, Google Sheets. Label everything clearly and make the output ready to use. After you submit, review the response for completeness and clarity. If a chart type, color scheme, or data format isn't what you intended, refine the same prompt by adding specifics like preferred chart libraries, number formatting, or accessibility notes. You can iterate directly in the chat until the output matches your vision, while keeping your original requirements intact. That's all you need to create interactive dashboards with Claude quickly and confidently.